Another Day, Another Story. How to Convert Time into Money is a book written by Dr. Angela E. Lauria, which provides a step-by-step guide to creating and monetizing your own content. Here's a brief summary of the book. The book starts by emphasizing the importance of recognizing the value of your time. It then provides a framework for identifying your unique skills, knowledge, and expertise that can be turned into a profitable content business. Next, the book discusses how to package and price your content offerings, including creating digital products like ebooks, courses, and membership programs. The author stresses the importance of setting realistic prices that reflect the value of your content and meet the needs of your target audience. The book also covers various marketing strategies for promoting your content business, such as building an email list, leveraging social media, and creating partnerships with other content creators. The author emphasizes the need to focus on building relationships with your audience and providing them with valuable content that meets their needs. In addition, the book addresses the importance of building a team to support your content business, including virtual assistants, designers, and other professionals. The author provides practical tips for finding and hiring the right people to help you grow your business. Finally, the book concludes by emphasizing the importance of staying focused and committed to your content business. The author encourages readers to stay true to their vision and to persevere through challenges and setbacks. Overall, How to Convert Time into Money is a comprehensive guide to creating a profitable content business. It provides practical advice and strategies for identifying your unique skills and turning them into valuable content offerings that meet the needs of your target audience. Thanks for watching. Share your comments below.